What's up, everybody? Well, good grief. I'm messing around with things. Okay. Here we go, I think. How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing absolutely fantastic. Let's now go for it and see let's see if things work out today. What's up, Boom? How are you doing? Why are you yelling? Gosh, it's too early in the morning for you to be yelling at me, Boom. It's so early in the morning, no yelling. Sorry, as you can see, I was messing around a little bit yesterday. By the way, thank you. Doing a little bit of quote-unquote research. Hey Shaki, what's up? Arthur, good morning.
Hi.
Hey some guy.
Hi.
Happy Wednesday. Heck yeah.
Good morning.
Aw, okay. Thanks for stopping in, some guy. Yeah, I was having a look at volume profile on a few different things. What's up, Sin? The Nasdaq. Strong, good morning. With a strong coffee. Good grief, yeah, strong coffee for the Winsies. Yeah, I had a look at two potential trades yesterday. I didn't take them. This one was a bit too large. Took it on the paper. Would have actually been break even. Yeah, would have taken me out for break even, which is fine. But let's go through everything now. Like I said yesterday, I did mark off the major liquidity levels. I was kind of expecting it to reach new weekly opening gap, but clearly not. It is Wednesday. It is Wednesday. For some reason, my brain is actually assuming that today is Thursday. That's not very fun. Okay, but let's get rid of all the noise for a second. Oh gosh, noise. That's fine, that's fine. Let's now mark out our levels. It's good with your strategy if you use it right. Yeah, so that's what I want to have a look at. I want to have a look at volume profiles and want to start looking a little bit into order flow. I know obviously TradingView doesn't really have order flow though, so let's see what we get. Okay, New York high. Also count that. New York low was then taken. Asia high has been taken. Asia low is over here. And then I'll also mark out previous day low. Okay. Previous day low, Asia high, Asia low. Those are then sorted. Now just gotta have a quick look-see at the new daily opening gap. I mean, there is one. It's not huge, but well, actually, it's bigger than it's been. We recently haven't even been getting a new daily opening gap. Maybe that means we're gonna have a little bit more volatility today. That would be great. Because good grief, it has not been moving. Volume pair with many strategies, it's probably one of the better concepts for them regardless of the strategy. She's in flow state. What's up, Debbie? Oh, cheers, some guy. Thanks for joining. Enjoy it. This is Red. Thanks, Atlanta. That's good. It is what it is. How you doing? Strong hump day, something must have happened overnight. My Are You Repelling Against Yesterday's chat about NASA? I didn't even clock that, Debbie. That is hilarious. That is flipping hilarious. Didn't even clock that I did that. I'm so happy that I have done this now. That is amazing. Oh man, oh, let's start yesterday's debate part 2. Ah, flip. I flipping love it. Here's Midnight Magnet and tis all, folks. Okay, that's everything I wanted to mark out. I will go check the 15-minute liquidity levels as well. Okay, let's do a tops bottom analysis quickly. Before I do that, let's actually hop back onto the funded. And the funded doesn't have as much chaos on it. Okay. Go daily. Guys, it's nearly time. It's nearly time. I mean, how many days left? 3, 6 days left? Maybe 7. Maybe 7 days left of stream before I leave. What's up, David Atlanta? You want food now? Why? What happened? I didn't say anything about food for once. We're talking about, I don't know, NASA. Definitely more volume than the other day going on here. Okay, so daily, let's check the 4-hour. Didn't quite break the all-time highs though. 2, okay, we're back into this bearish fair value gap. Let's see how we're gonna react off of here. Is it gonna be a rejection or are we gonna continue up? I think we're gonna continue bearish. Maybe during New York, but I think we are going to go back to being bearish. That's what I suspect, at least. Doesn't obviously mean I'm gonna be 100% accurate, but no one ever is. See up. Ah, okay, it would be nice to see it tag into 3667 or 668. Let's see if it tags into 668 before potentially doing a continuation to the sell side. Is OTT up yet? He gave you a really good idea yesterday. That's hilarious. No. OTT has not arrived yet. Large sell volume. Let's see the buyers come in. So that's on the 1 hour. Yeah. 15-minute. Okay, all the important levels have kind of been marked out except potentially this one over here. Yeah, that's about it. That's about it. Okay, after the New York high, this is where we can potentially, if it's gonna go down, we might see a reversal around there. 15 minutes, let's do the 5-minute. Atlanta, yeah, moving soon. 9 days to be exact. Look for the neckline, hold on to the rope. Yeah. 255, just watching what happens here. 5-minute. We have some liquidity, some equal highs at 573. A little bit higher up, so we might see some pullbacks over there. Okay, cool. Must keep double checking those higher time frames. Okay, let's now do this thing, guys. Curiosity, would this have even come close? Nah. Before continuation back up, and oh, look at that, on the 3 a.m. open. 10 seconds to go. Let's see what we get. It's a good move. That made me worried for a second. Nah. It will be a good move. I'm putting it out there into the universe. The Queen of South Africa is taking a break? No, I'm not taking a break. What? Don't be a crazy daisy. Not taking a break. Well, I guess theoretically I'm going to be forced to take a little bit of a break because obviously I'm moving, so won't have any of my setup with me. Unless I traded off of my phone, but I won't be able to record any of that. I mean, it's an option. I could trade off of my phone. But like I said though, won't be able to record a damn thing. Anyways, let's see what we are gonna now end up getting. No. No? Just no. Just no explanation for what no means. No. Is that it? Just no. You can screen record. I guess I could screen record. I must have a look. Looks like a short. Really? Jose's looking at shorts. Trading on a phone is ridiculous unless I'm selling. Why unless you're selling? What difference does it make? A lot of news today. It's gonna be too much volatility. Hey, what's up, chill dude? How you doing? Is that why the markets were so... How do I put this? Dead. They were so like meh. Yesterday and Monday. Well, until the PM session. Well, New York session. It started moving kind of. Nothing beautiful, but it did start moving. The thought of that sounds terrifying while trying to trade with actual money. What's up, Zach? I like your accent. Thanks. Where do you think I'm from? Dun dun dun. No pressure. No pressure. David, nah, OTT's not late. Recently, he's only been waking up at like 10 a.m., which is around 4 a.m. EST. So, nah, he's actually not late. Ooh, you think my accent's from London? Nah. I am South African. How you doing? British. Do I sound British? Interesting. Yeah, guys. 100% South African. That's a lie. I am half Portuguese, but I never lived in Portugal, so born and raised in South Africa. Moneypenny 007. I believe you think I sound British. To be fair, do you know I've once caused an argument between my friends that were in a relationship because I asked them, what accent do you think I have? And one of them said, like South African with a hint of American, and another one said, South African with a hint of British. And I was like, okay. And then they had a bit of a fight about it They both heard something different, so maybe I'm just weird. Who knows? Maybe I'm just all the accents combined. Oh, wouldn't that be cool? Oh, please give us something today. Let's do this. Yesterday was not great. Didn't take a trade. You know my deal. I don't take a trade if you guys can't be watching. So when the Wi-Fi had a freak out, well, I mean, then obviously I couldn't take a trade. There was no Wi-Fi. But probably a retrace. That's definitely what she said. I think it might go a little bit higher first. Take out here 573, 576. Potentially even just tap into the bob level and then go back down. Wait. Are you saying what's happening now is probably a retrace? Back up higher. That's what I suspect it's going to do. I think it's going to retrace, potentially take out New York high, and then New York session we're going to start going back down. At least that's what I suspect. That's all we can do. We can make suspicions of what we think the markets are gonna do. Do they always do that? No. Am I very accurate with my suspicions? No. Doesn't mean I'm not gonna make them. Okay, so Boom says next 15 minutes we're gonna go down. I'm gonna make a little doodabby here. So Boom says next 15 minutes gonna go down. Let's see if it's gonna go down. Am I the only one that thinks this is gonna potentially continue up further? I'm not gonna lie, that makes me feel a little bit more positive that it might continue going back up further. Sorry, that was rude. But why I say that is normally when a lot of people have a similar prediction, it does the opposite. Well, you don't have to do that by... Well, it's too late, Boom. No pressure, but 15 minutes. It's happening. You know. Sweat a little bit. Let Boom just be wrong. No. You know, the markets are here to, what's the word? Keep us, humble us. There we go. The markets are here to humble us, and I am also here to humble Boom when needed. Doesn't happen, so let me seize my opportunity. Boom is always wrong by, always right. No, why are you lying? Why are you lying? You sometimes need to be humbled, and that is why I was put here. To be oh so humbling. Quick, we need 2 people to unsubscribe. Oh gosh, Atlanta. Not again. I don't have a bias until some level breaks, but hope Boom is right. Oh! Why don't you hope I'm right? That's rude. What about me? She said someone needs to humble me. Yeah. Your sister told you that the other... Me and your sister will be best friends. That's all I'm saying. Me and your sister will be besties. Flat Earth and moon landing, not again. No, Arthur, no. No. That discussion was had and done yesterday. It was a one and done conversation. We're not going back there. I'm back to break even for the day off of a long. Hey, Shaki, there we go. That's not bad. Sorry, guys. As you can see, I'm low-key hands off until this thing starts, well, doing something. No, I don't know about all that. Why not, Boom? I think me and your sister will be best friends. And we will sit there humbling the heck out of... Wait, it depends. Does your sister like playing D&D as well? Okay, no, but Debbie, I didn't even consider that. I didn't even, like, why do you think I'm low-key hiding it now? I'm gonna low-key hide it. The perks of having thick hair, you can hide what you don't want people to see. I'm just gonna hide that, so see, it just looks like a normal shirt now. FYI, markets will either fake you out or shake you out. What's up, Benjamin Rabbit? Doesn't that mean just a lose-lose? If it's faking you out, you're losing, or if it's shaking you out, aren't you losing again? Oh, she likes anime. That works. Why do future trading take so long? Yes, it doesn't even build the rockets in. Oh gosh. My hair is thick and curly. Rub it in that you have hair. Oh. I mean, I have a lot and I need a haircut. Do you wanna borrow the bits that I don't need anymore? Jackie, that was a very weird thing to say. I am so sorry. I regret saying that. Wow. Yes. Fire Pro back again. First level. Wow. You're not wrong. The dice hate me. Hey, look at it go. Okay. Took out the 2 levels now. Let's see. Potential retracement here. Did take out those relative equal highs. Let's see now. How many minutes has it been? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. You have 10 minutes to go. Boom, no pressure. Hey, see, Boomerang. But it hasn't been 15 minutes yet, Boom. So you're not wrong yet. Sounds a bit rubbish, and the market tells a story. What sounds a bit rubbish, Jose? I am human. I'm feeling sleepy. Go on then. What? What's up, Ash? Also a female SA trader. That is so cool. Ah, welcome, welcome, welcome. Have you met Iris? Another female SA trader. How you doing, Ash? Welcome, welcome. Sorry, I get way too excited when we get some more estrogen up in here. There's a lot of guys here. I don't know if Lavender's here, but we have Debbie, Lavender, like I said, Iris, but she's busy streaming herself. That's about it. There's not a lot of female traders. Let me call Markham. Hold on. Anyways, Ash, what part of SA are you from, if you don't mind me asking? And how long have you been trading? And what do you trade? You know, tell me your story. Like I said, I get way too excited when another female pops on here. I'm like, bring it on! Where's the female? I'm gonna chase her away. Rule number 1 in this chat: ignore everything everyone says. Just need more female traders in general, Arthur. I feel like there's a few, but there's not tons. No, there's not. I mean, Tori, Tanya, Lumi. It's another blonde girl. That sounds mean. I should know. Then obviously Debbie, Lavender, me, now Ash. Wanda. Okay, no, we have an amount. I mean, it's an okay amount. I feel like I'm missing some. There's a few, but you know, male to female traders. That the market does fake out the market. It goes back to what you're saying about finding an edge. Oh, there we go. I can't lie. I'll definitely go to court. This was an actual. Haven't seen any bear signal level of anything. I'd like to stay bullish. Retracing the seller from New York. Hey. Called it. Okay, anyways. It takes time for the female traders, just like this retracement. It's time. What What does it mean by that, Arthur? Maybe. I've seen it happen a million times. Okay, watching this now. See how this goes. Was that little bit of a retracement? I kind of expected a bigger one, but back up to the bob level. Let's do this. Let's do this thing like a chicken wing. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chilling with my homies. Sorry. I'll stop. Oh, okay, Ash was here for 5. I scared her off with my excitement. Ash was here one second, gone the next. I was gonna make some terrible like Ash jokes, and I was like, don't do that. Don't do that. Anywho, how is going downtown? I feel like I see more female traders in crypto streams. Interesting. Really? In crypto. You know what? For me, right now, just traders. Good. Female trader. Good. Yep. Debbie is all you got. And Lavender. Oh, I don't think Lavender's here too. There are slight moments where I feel bad. Why? Why do you feel bad? It's so unlike you. Aha, see. I just scared away Ash and I feel bad. Yes! The first time I've seen it online. Like I said, Ash, go check out Iris. Yeah, she's also female SA trader. I think she's actually also live now. I don't know. You want to go and check her out? Because nobody knows what's happening in crypto, so they look better. Dude, now all I see is female streamers on my YouTube feed. Wait, female streamers or female traders? Let's see. You have 3 minutes to go, boom. Ash, come back, we're not that unhinged. I've seen someone crash a Ferrari today, made me cry. I mean, do we think Ferraris could technically low-key be a little bit overrated? Maybe. Potentially. Ah, wait, actually. That's the range. Oh, okay, boom. Let's see. I was long from 3434. Nah, nice. Yash, where's your TP at though? Good old kills. I bought a also cheap one great sentence. Tell me one great sentence about trading. I mean, I could say one great word about trading. Independence. Or freedom. Take your pick. Is it easy to get that independence and freedom though? No. No. That takes a lot of work, and that's where... Yeah, that's where a lot of work comes in. You look like gorgeous lady I see at Sonic's. What's that? Meaning I'll just trader flew around the flat earth before the moon landing. Oh, good grief. Supercars done through 522. Oh, nice, Piash, well done. Freedom. What is this? Braveheart. I love foreign cars, but I'd rather have that flying. Guys, I don't even. Wait, let's see 5. 12, 13, 14. Shoot. What, Geordie? You what? Geordie, you still don't have electricity. That's not okay. What the heck, man? Ugh, why is Boom winning? Geordie, what happened? Why? That's why there are more people who lose money in trading than who make money. To be fair, there's more people that lose money because they start trading thinking it's a get rich quick situation, and that there's cheat codes, and that they don't have to put effort in, and that it should be easy. I think those are the people that lose money. To be fair, even the people in the beginning that know that they're gonna lose a little bit, sometimes I think they get to the point where they say, oh, screw it, but I think it's at that point that they're just about to have a breakthrough and become profitable. Personally, anyways. I mean, this is the 15th minute candle. Let's see what it does here, Boom. Let's see if it starts going up or down. This is your candle. This right here is your candle. What's up, Lucky Mon? How you doing? Something a part of this big cable pulse, apparently. What does that even mean? This feeling that I haven't dropped her at work. Well, why haven't you dropped her at work? Boomer's right. Smash that like, everyone. Arthur says it's going down. Wait, no, wait. Let's see. Let's see. Boom's not right yet. This is the deciding factor. We're all part of a big rotating system. Something that become profitable, new ones will come in, and so forth, and the chain will continue. Yeah, exactly. How do you deal with and accept stress in trading? I think you just become, I don't want to say immune to it, because that's a lie. Bored of it. I think also if you are trading with something that gets you that breakdown and stress, maybe you're over risking. That's also a potential. If you're feeling super stressed about a trade, it's potential that you're over risking, so then de-risk. Get rid of some of that stress. Trust your strategy, right? Is it gonna work 100% of the time? No. No, definitely not. My fuel is half in the red. That was such a classic woman response. Who wins if it's a doji? I have no idea. I think we're gonna have to see what happens afterwards. Like, is it gonna start going up now? Or is it gonna start dropping down? If it starts dropping down, Boom was right. If it starts going back up, then Boom was wrong. Those are the only two options. Which Tegan, I love the video. Enjoy you want to send you if you moving up. Yeah, nuts. Okay. Boom! You are correct, sir. Boom was right. Damn, this was supposed to humble you. Shoot. I could argue and say that you got the timing wrong. But it has been 15 minutes and it's going further down, so I can't even argue that. Well done, Boom. Boom was right. Winning for Boom. Okay. Now let's see what this does. Tapped into the 3 AM open. Said we did take out a little bit of liquidity now, so retest was low-key inevitable. That's there. That's there. There's the new daily opening gap and Asia low. Okay, let's see if we continue a tad bit higher, or if this is indeed the retracement further down. I'm not getting my pullbacks today. That's a B setup. Let's take B setups. At least we're not range bound today, thank heavens. Range bound like yesterday and Monday. I keep forgetting that today is Wednesday. Not in the good, not in the good, I don't even know if it's in the good way or not. I keep forgetting today is Wednesday. It feels like it's supposed to be Thursday. What's up, Felix? How we doing? What's up, OTT? Hi! Have you just been there the whole time and you haven't said hi? What the heck? Considering it shot up 30 points after you said it and only came back 10 points before the start, I'd say he got lucky. Why don't you trade commodities? I like my futures. Building at next level, step by step. You switched to vertical. He said hi a long time ago, you're busy yapping about something. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, you did too, at 9:21. I'm so sorry, I'm just a bad person. What's up, OTT? Brother bear. Damn, sometimes paper can be dumb as heck. Nazar, what's up? Today FOMC and Wednesday. What's the odds I win a trade? Nope, 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 nope. Seriously? I cannot believe that didn't tag me in. I love it. Someone was asking me how much is Starlink in South Africa. I'm just like, yeah, we don't got that in South Africa. Sorry. There's hope for humanity. Boom, what up? Yeah. When are you gonna stream, OTT? Yeah, ask Otiana when Otiana is going to stream. That's all good questions. Okay, like I said, this is very much a B setup. Let's see if this would have worked or not. These dojis over here are kinda looking like the buyers were definitely wanting to come into play. So let's see, this is on the paper just before people yell at me. This is on the paper. Wanting to see if it retests back into this little bit of a range or not. Looks like it just kind of tapped into this bigger cluster, if you will, and rejected off of it. Actually, not good. How to successfully deal with trading and what is the most important factor in trading? Psychology. Oh, bruh. Like that. Okay. Paper trading for the win sometimes, guys. Theoretically, though, let me have a quick look at this. Theoretically, I messed up. It should have been that trade. But I was testing things on the paper. Wow, I'm doing so bad on the paper today. It's not even funny. Well, yesterday. And today, this poor paper account is taking a knock. What else? Looks like it bombed off the trend line. Tiana sounds like a... Oh my goodness, OTT, that's a lie. I trade Forex, I haven't heard of Iris, I'm happy to be here, and yeah, the industry is like 90% male dominated. Nice, okay, so Cape Town and Forex. So why, if you don't mind me asking, Ash? So OTT, that there's a girl here, and her name is Ash, she's a South African trader as well. Yay! Sorry, so OTT is... I call him Ash sometimes. Just in case I'm gonna confuse people. Didn't want to like just say OTT's name on a live stream. Anyways. Point is, I'm talking a lot and not breathing enough today. I can feel that happening already. Point is... Ash, why Forex? Out of curiosity. My YouTube is lagged. Is it? Oh, it's not me for once, I don't think. Is it me? Could be me for once. And David's team can basically, thank goodness. What do you mean? Really, I know she's profitable. Anyone with Ash in their name buying a Bugatti. You're gonna scare the females away. To be fair. Yeah. Probably. I'm apparently a very scary person. Yeah, but I'm apparently very scary. Ah, so this was the range. Methinks. See, what's the time looking like? Oh! That. Time is actually going quite quickly when I'm chit-chatting quite a bit today. Want to quickly whoop, doo-doo. Take this. Nope, 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 nope. And this. Turn that down. Huh. But to trade Forex, I don't know how to feel about that. What's old lamb? What's old lamb? What's up, old lamb? There we go. English. Nailed it. Hello. Is today the day? Is today the day? Is it gonna give me an opportunity? Okay, I think I'm caught up now. Trade Forex because I started in 2022 and it was the main thing back then to trade. Futures has caught my eye though, not gonna lie. So I've heard a little bit of a mixed bag of fruit. That a few people have moved from Forex to futures and they really prefer futures, and then I've also heard people say that they prefer Forex. I think it's just, you know, dependent on your cup of tea. Some people don't like tea, some people prefer coffee. So like with anything in trading, it all depends on you and your preferences. Damn, this is now looking really good for a shorty short. See if it breaks that low, and then we can maybe take the next range back down. So yeah, Ash, how long have you been trading for then? Wait, you said you started 2022. Ignore me then. Let's let's roll ask this. Are you profitable? Are you profitable yet? Hate coffee. Well, boom, do you know what? Coffee hates you too. Okay. Okay. I'm kidding. That was so aggressive. I hope you know I'm kidding. What is happening? Why have we become so volatile? Is this all just because of newsletter? Okay. Okay, let's see what this does now. Price ain't bad, but if you trade currencies in 2026, it will be opened up and just looking at this coming down to me. Wow, I'm about to go pop from who said, do I need a platform? Hey Gus, oh lucky duck, I don't get Lucid. Last year July I became profitable, but since then I've been working on getting funded via props, but ran into some bad ones. Uh-oh! Which props did you use, if you don't mind me asking, Ash? If you don't mind me asking. Make love, not war. I'm sorry, boom. But honestly, if you want to trade CFDs, just stick to indices. To be fair, I think you got a few unanswered clicks in earlier, but Exactly. I feel like fair is fair. Boom is always bullying me and no one ever acknowledges that, so. And my risk per trade was too conservative, so when I hit strong up weeks, it wasn't enough to pass challenges. Oh, I get it. Now fixing windows 1% for challenges. Just saying as a bystander. We go for a prom. Do we need a chat for like trading view? I guess it depends on what platform they use, but theoretically, yeah. Who does Lucid use? We don't get Lucid in South Africa. Top one didn't like the rules. Yeah, that's the thing. It depends on. Unfortunately, all prop firms are gonna have rules. You're just gonna have to find one that works for how you trade, right? How you. I guess that's just it. You're gonna have to find one that works with how you trade, and the rules. There's always gonna be rules with prop firms. That's unavoidable. It is unavoidable. There's always gonna be rules. They are still a business. You just have to find one that aligns with how you trade. And then you can both be profitable. And then it's a win-win situation. I got trapped with the new instant accounts. Hey, I'm a nice, kind-hearted man. What's up, Pat? How are we doing? Is there trading? What is the difference from trading to market to futures? Not that I know of. No, did you just read that off a sheet of paper? And it felt like you did. Hey, about what happened with the storm yesterday? No, it luckily wasn't actually that bad. The Wi-Fi was just having a freak out. So luckily it wasn't bad. Why are my mini Nasdaq contracts not getting filled? What is the process? How are they not getting filled? I think you're gonna have to send a screenshot of that. Why? How did they not get filled? Like top one ain't bad, but 2 funded accounts with them, but I never risk more than 5 more CFD props. Actually have a shadow, but which didn't risk more than one of them. I believe in mine, she's the most smart woman I've met. I feel like you are lying. Hammer, what's up? Stop. It's hammer time. Ayo, 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 ayo. Oh, boom, you were lucky, bud. Look at this now going up. You got lucky there at that 15-minute little drop down. Love to all crypto users. What's up, James? I only had instant prime accounts with top one, but the 20% consistency rule. Oh, good grief. Yeah, that would do it. 20%. Watch me pull deep waters. I don't know. I'm not buying anytime soon. No, he traumatized. I'm going twice as years ago. Tips if I told you more, I would end stream and kill me. Boom, I would never. I'm a nice person. I'm a nice, sweet individual that does nice things. all the time. Sorry, that's my frustrations for the day. Boom is a lucky ducky. Atlant. That's mean. So actually, I use a bit of a hybrid situation of ICT, SMC, and market auction theory. I learned it kind of from a friend, but I feel like I need to now go and, how do I put this? Sort some extra things out. So I am going to be looking at a bunch of different things. I've been sent a bunch of different videos, so I'm going to be doing quite a bit of research, especially while I'm moving. I'm going to obviously have a little bit of time. I'm going to then be watching everything. I need to, how do I put this? I need to now fine-tune my strategy and find a better edge. So Ash, sorry, you don't know this. I have actually not been trading that long. Just over a year now. I'm not profitable. I'm not out here pretending like I am. The whole point of this stream is to be a very open, honest, real journey. You know, I'm not here trying to be like, oh, you know, I started trading 2 months ago and I'm making millions, because that's a lie. It's a journey, it's a process. Every single trade I take live. I mean, I take the paper trades live as well, so you can see the process of me testing some things as well. Yeah, that kind of just gives you a little bit of background. I did pass my eval and got a funded account. My funded got $20 away from... I was $20 away from blowing my funded account, and then I am slowly bringing it back. Slowly being the keyword. Oh, so slowly. Oh, so slowly. If I can try and get the funded back, it would be amazing. But that's why I'm being very particular, very low risk per trade, all of those very irritating things on my funded. So it doesn't really look like I'm going very far, but it's because I'm kind of paper trading some new strategies, you know, figuring them out. And then only taking like A+++ setups on my funded with very low risk for now until I get to a certain amount. So it's at a very weird, frustrating phase right now for both me and probably you guys as well. You guys are probably there screaming at me half of the time. But yeah, anyways, that was just a random little breakdown of who I is. I have clips of you being even more in Sweden. She called me a beat. I didn't. Well, I did, but I didn't say the whole word. My aunt watching you can. OTT gonna stream in your places. That is the and she's absolutely golden. Huh. You got in forest company or something. Okay. I love that transfer. You just seem like such a profit. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Boom streaming in MySpace. Come grab some. Pat, that's awesome. And how's it going for you? Never mind, we had a very non-slow play yesterday. Okay, tell me. You look chill today. I look chill today? Like I'm just meh. Oh, Hammer, what does it mean? Just keep to be busy. ABC down and head on something. I called that price action. It's not yesterday. The Nasdaq hold site alerted me to it. Nice. Breakthrough eventually, but want an easier way. Just be a course seller. Very happy to see you taking a slow so on your feet. Happy to help if you need. Ooh, thank you. I appreciate that, Ash. Ash, if you don't mind me, maybe this is a bit of a tricky question. Actually, this is a question for everyone. Ooh, okay. This is like a genuine question for everyone. What do you feel? Because I've been asked this a few times, so maybe it's time for me to plop the question back on you guys. What do you guys feel is your edge? Debbie, I know your edge is TMP, but others, everyone, what do you guys feel is your edge in the market? So it's nice when I get to interrogate you guys back for a change. Curiosity. Technically a buy should have been made over there. Alright, 20 minutes. How about people keep actually return? I'm good on selling courses. I can't even sell a rock to a person. Why would a person want to rock though? Boom. Good morning, I recommend use for 25%. And keep chilled and not stressed. Oh, thanks, Hammer. I'm actually very much lacking sleep. I wonder if that's it. This is just sleep deprived Maya. Just rocking up, ready to start the day. Really nice for the first couple of days. Oh, so be mean. Okay, so Arthur, you say knowledge, time, strategy, and gut feeling is the edge. Gut feeling, okay. Mine is look for a trade, fall in love with it, and do the opposite.
Nice.
Boom, agree it won't last. Wait for the pattern set up. Got a bottom tail. Let me see name. So my edge is using high volume predictable pivots derived from dealer hedged options dot. Ooh, okay, that sounds very like fancy. Pretty good. I haven't gotten it funded yet. I'm so close with one account getting funded. I stopped trading though when I made $500. That's my new rule, so I'm done for today. Hey, Pat, that's awesome though. I do believe that that's important. Having like a risk limit for the day and a win limit for the day, so you don't get too greedy, and obviously you minimize your risk and you don't then go revenge trade. Like I tend to have the rule of 3 losses in a day and you're done. You're done. Like just walk away. You're finished. I would say buy the rumor, sell the news. My edge math and the data I collect. I would say patience, certainty of what I'm doing, and not my TMP is not my edge. I thought this TMP is just a scalping model. I have swing models and do trading ones. Oh, there we go. How would a person want to rock? Have you never heard of Pet Rocks? The inventor is a millionaire. There's Pet Rocks. I copy SMC supply and demand breakouts, etc. But it's completely simplified. I trade trends by the direction of 5 minutes and 1 hour strat too. Ooh. I'm intrigued by this, Ash. I'm gonna look this up. I wanna look up this. Look up this. Is that English? It's kind of English. The true edge is going to hit the buy button when the price hits the line. My edge is playing ICT motivational quotes, giving me the skill of 200 traders to give me the power to feel the direction of the market and predict where the algorithm is going to do. My edge is understanding price action fractally, like Inception, but with price. Ooh, okay. Interesting. When I think of it, I do tell myself every day before I start trading, when I do that, I will not lose a single trade ever. Do I look at Asian market? I actually don't. which maybe I should. Squeeze me! Ah, stupid. Stupid paper trade. Okay. Not so stupid paper trade. This I'm doing out of curiosity. This is not my strategy at all. Maybe I shouldn't be messing around like a chop today, but we're going for it. My edge is just being right by flipping a coin. Whatever, boom. You're such a liar. Just give Debbie a need to build, okay. So Ash, I trade the London and the New York sessions. Yeah, damn, I need some form of sleep, believe it or not. So yeah, I do London Open and New York Open. Up goes the wheel, already testing. Line hating side low-key bubbling. Being on be busy. Yeah, those are, for me, those are the two. Don't get me wrong, recently Asia has actually been moving really, really nicely. But, you know, normally Asia was the accumulation slash consolidation. Now it's moving nicely. But anyways, so it would do Asia normally accumulation, London normally manipulation, and then New York session would be the distribution. Nowadays, though, it looks like Asia is doing some really good movement, and London's been a bit meh. And then New York, well, New York tends to move a little bit. I'm just watching my own trade. Oh, Jose, you're such a sweetie pie, and what, doing the opposite of what I do? Smart. I feel I could literally find and wait times like that. I trade times 4 pairs, and each has its own account. Good grief. Hey, Sean, what's up? Imagine having it first. What's your whole name? What do I do, guys? Asia is low-key tough, though. What's up, Samuel? Yeah, consolidation, push, reversal. If you ask me why I decided to make this here, I have no good answer except for the fact that it's retracing further down than the 50% and respecting these little bit of order blocks. So I decided to try and make this here out of curiosity. That's literally it. And now it's working. On days like this where I see it retracing past the 50%, maybe entry just needs to be where stop loss would be, because that's literally, entry is where stop loss would normally be. And now it's working like a dream. This is flagging out though. This does look like it's flagging. Let's see. I've got conversation trading. What time frame you take trade on when trading 4 pairs with each pair of its owner can't be mad difficult. My casually bottom ticking. I mean, it is on paper, so meh. It is what it is. Like I said, this does kind of low-key look like it's bull flagging right now, so I'm not expecting magic to happen. Okay, let's see what happens here. Here we go. This is the last part of the works down. I trade 5 minutes to you. Where's it? For both you. Sometimes I do sit here and question these conversations that we have. When I say I question them, I literally sit here and I go, what? What is happening? Why is it happening? Boom somehow picked the exact middle of the range to announce his prediction. It's over. Now we have settle time. I respectfully disagree on that one. I've seen London do this before, where it kind of has a move, kind of starts coiling, because it looks like it's coiling a little bit right now, and then it just starts. What time is it? Oh, we have 4 minutes to go until this thing starts moving. I think. Normally that 4 a.m. is where this thing goes. Let's go, girls. Do 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 do. London has not put out the day yet. It will just go long volley. I feel like I'm saying. So do you think aliens are real? I don't know. Boom. Do you? I think. I don't know. I'm not gonna put my thoughts out there in the universe. Let's not start debates part 2. Hammer had great success yesterday. Where is Hammer? Where'd he go? Where are you at? He says that we don't notice when he's not here. I notice. Anyways, moving on. I want a short. I can be carefully. So you can't just pass again. Try anything where I try to put the law of Asia and sell in London for our counterpart. This is going to come. Boom. Wow. Okay. Why are we asking these questions? I feel like that's the more important question. Why are we asking these? I can't pick up the 3D mouse pad with all the patterns. OTT, it's amazing that I know exactly what you talk about. I feel like everyone knows that. This one? It's this one, isn't it? With all the patterns. Huh? Flip. Oh my gosh, if you can please load. There we go. Trading chart patterns. Are you speaking about this one? That's brilliant. The genius trader. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, you were speaking about this, right? Noise. Aliens don't believe in flat earth. Let's spew out blood monthly and place our blood out of thin air. Are you talking about people? Short looks yummy, we got the ABC in the no, Hashan, not at all. You continue. That's the whole point of this. You share what you predict. Everyone's allowed to share away. Taking seriously, that's more credibility. Damn, Shaggy. I love it. I'm very using. Alien, to be real, let's be honest. Patterns kill me now. I've met many. Is that too many from this community? Wow. OTT, I see what you did there. I mean, Mikuwabe. I... When you run this pattern through, look, Gemini. Okie dokie. Let's do this thing. What's up, Yusuf? How you doing? It irritates me that this is working out so well now. Okay, wait for it to break out. Don't diddle in the middle. Don't diddle in the middle. Asking for rubbish. Oh, there was a 4 AM candle. Sorry, I didn't even clock it. But yeah, there's 4 AM candle. I think it's just gonna go for this high. Nope, go for the high. Do, 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 do. These have been a few bad days to taste. I don't even make it. What's up, David G? How you been? Pink. I don't know if I'm so tired. Oh, okay. It is so early in the morning for this. It is so early in the morning for this. Yo, guys. Need to like unclench my jaw. I'm asking for another impulse upwards on higher time frame. I'll look. Can I show you my 2-week P&L and can you assess it? I mean, if you want to, I guess. Setting up nicely for another impulse upwards on higher time frame. Let's see what it does. Ash. What's up, Moonshine? Good morning. Make it a higher day. Breakout hold and wait. Does this not sideways? I'm trying to get my thoughts in order. You know what, David? I've never read something more relatable than that right now. How are you? I'm okay. Just trying to get my thoughts in order. Yeah. Pretty valid. I have that all the time. Still not blonde. Believe it or not, no. I have been taking these on paper though, so that's why. Like I said, I wait for the A+ setups and then take those on my funded, but yeah, so far all my A+ setups have not tagged me in, which has been a little bit rude, but it's fine. Okay, well, there we go. Didn't quite reach the TP there, but that's okay. Step by step. Yep, exactly. Forgot to mention, I think some of the stuff we mentioned for during your journey. It's just that I don't want to know if that kind of 2 P&L possible. How to share pick. I mean, you could share it on Discord if you want. Okay, let's maybe ask this. Is this a real P&L or is it like on your paper account? You know, because that two very different things. That's what it does. The south versus again. Draw that trend out. Let's see. So if I hadn't have moved stop loss, let's see if it goes up to take the high or not. I'm starting to believe that moving stop loss is just not a good idea. Just not worth it. I have a 10-second lag. I can only give you so much time. Just let me in. That reminds me of Apex. You have until the end of the song to run away. Or get as far as you can. That, I don't know, that gave me that vibe and I'm a little bit terrified right now. But anyways. Agree, never move stop loss. I know, but what about to break even? I'm starting to believe that break evens are actually maybe just not worth it. Have break even saved me before? Yes. Have they also cost me profit? Yes. So it's a little bit of a... yeah. Little bit of a tricky... New funds, Samsung, outflanks, use part warranty, Violin trading and saying no and decide to trade trade lines. This break even is fine, but you gotta know your data before deciding. That strat that break even actually made it worse. I know, but that's the thing. It's sometimes, not always. Yes, like I said, break even has saved me before, but I feel like it also makes you lose out on profit. I feel like break even if you take partials is fine. Like once a partial has been taken, then you're still in the green even if it goes back to take you off break even. Oh, cheers, David. Like this one, if I had taken a partial here at the top and then it went to take out break even, that would have been fine. Then I would still be up more than probably, what was it, like $11? These sideways days drive me crazy because my strategy does not work with these sideways days. Sugar honey iced tea, man. Name me a South African dish that I may like. Bobotie? It's quite nice. I don't know, what else is a South African dish that is quite nice? What if my break even is like $2 profit? I'm high key in the green though. Like let's see if I... okay, true, if I had moved on to break even, if I wasn't low-key trailing, this would have hit TP. Maybe it's just a thing of don't trail it. Yeah, the way the paper trading is quite good. Make you think about some things. Oh, that's something to do with like steak. Never mind, that has nothing to do with steak. Sweep over 579 over the next hour. That was Papani where I was OTT stopped. I want to show you now to everyone who is in Discord. Parag, find me. Oh. Give me a second, let me send you a message. If you do join the Discord, guys, just be aware there are still scammers out there. They're so irritating. Are you Eliminator? Parag, is that you? That's hilarious. Yeah. Send you a what up. So guys, yeah, if you get a very formal thing saying like, how you been? How's the trading going? It's not me. that do be a scammer. Hey Ash, I see you joined. Welcome. Yeah, the highs got taken off the fake account. Shorter did I home? Some of us all know the scam, we just don't care. Whee! Look at that go. You know... Wait, what time is FOMC today, guys? Please say it's before New York session. Because that's not how I trade, Moonshine. No! Damn. Thanks, Ash. That irritates me, but it is what it is. At first, I thought no, it's a real thing. Are you actually looking up like some South African steak ideas? Nice. South African play on words. You know, certain someone like long hair because of had no wife had talked about saying fake out and should short. Who are you possibly talking about, OTT? Guys, my rulers don't diddle in the middle. So I see it broke out nicely on ES. ES is pushing for the shorts today. NQ is just not following its lead. NQ is just going, nah, that's funny. It's a funny game. Oh yeah, I'm the guy grilling at 7 in the morning. Okay, let's see. This move facing busted. The amount of different ways to trade is just insane. I know, it's a little bit scary actually, Ash. So what I always say is trading is very interesting because I don't think not one single person can look at it in the exact same way. Obviously similar strategies and whatnot, but not one single strategy is going to work for everyone. So you just have to find the strategy that works for you and go from there. But yeah, so Ash, is this what you want to do? Do you do something else? Do you want to just be a trader? Do you want to just do trading part-time? How old are you? Sorry, I didn't even ask how old you are. London be there's a lot. Yes, that is exactly London. You know what London has been doing?
Emotional damage.
Yeah, you see. That was kind of like working out exactly, Pat. Not trying my. What's up, doggo? How you doing? Thank you, Prague. I will go check. No question for profitable traders. Would you all rather study, go to school, and what not to be a floor trader and not be allowed to trade your own accounts and make money from getting paid? I'm gonna say my dream career. I'm 28, so I'm actually on the spec. Don't work for me, so trading is perfect for me. Oh my gosh, we're like the same age. I love it. I love it. You just obviously have a few years on me, which is fantastic. I started a little late by the looks of things. That is so cool, Ash. Now I know someone in Cape Town. I've never been to Cape Town. As a South African, I know that's disgusting, but I've never been to Cape Town. People make it weird because they put much emphasis on how they do and their ways right, and they look behind and really someone doing that with you. We own trader with them, which they're just doing on a camera. You take it, information as a new person. Not ain't the best, but still get 1 or 2 decent moves every other day. Heck yeah, I love it. Maya saying you have a few years on me, like she ain't pushing 80. Listen here, just because you are a toddler, OTT, doesn't mean you can come at me, okay? Okay? I mean, she has a few years on of trading up on me. She started 2022. I started... Where are we at right now? Yes, I started 2025. I forgot what year we were in. I started 2025. I'm gonna drive you back and do it. Be your tour guide. Toddler. What's a drink or drive? See, I love it. I will so happily. Just isn't Cape Town super expensive? I've heard from a few people that Cape Town is expensive. Give me a second. I will be right back. Bye, guys. It is, but I just choose. What did I miss? Maybe still sips of some naps and drinks orange juice in the morning. Still can't penetrate on that app, so I bought the key and last picture. Here we go, strict property, me and only basically the same age, by the way. Oh, the feminine presence is calming her nature this year. Walk out all of us unhelpful idiots. Oh, Atlanta, that was really funny to read. Did you not see yesterday's trading? It was so good. Not even pissed Jordy off. Okay, so anywho, guys. Did I miss anything? Okay. Mata. I think you mean Maya. What's up, Boom? Well, I do believe it will get entirely too expensive for a lot of people soon. We waited for you. Oh, thank you guys. The Ash is nice. Why can't you guys be like Ash? Honestly, Ash is a sweetie pie, and you guys are just out here bullying the heck out of me for no reason. Probably not too good for me. I was just breaking a partial win during PM. Yeah, he was lurking in here. Next short entry if it retraces would be at 562, 570. Okay, so do you really think it's gonna go that far? Moonshine. Yeah, this is why we need more estrogen. To be fair, Debbie sometimes bullies me too, so Debbie one of the boys. Who's Ash? Afflict is Ash. Ash is nice because she's new. Unnecessary.
Emotional damage.
Ah, flip. Maya, please do a butterfly and quit crying. Who hurt you? Good grief. Okay, so Moonshine, you believe this is just gonna keep going down, down, down. I mean, guys, it has been an hour, basically an hour and a half, and it's just been going sideways. So that's fun. I mean, sideways in a... Hitting caps lock like a chop. No, I can't even say this is going sideways in a big range. This is just going sideways in a very small range. Cool. Maybe, no. This is my default. I don't voice my, but yeah, I do. That's true. Debbie is sometimes nice to me. Sometimes. It's fine. Can't take it anymore. As fun as guessing what pattern is this? New game show. She hasn't realized what. I give Ash till Friday. It's looking hard. See, the problem with me and the patterns is that I see the damn patterns everywhere. I mean, theoretically, that was a W. This could be an M, but you could have argued that that was the top of it and then it went back up. So, I don't know. I'm really bad with the patterns. I'm really bad with the patterns. I'm not one to, like, even deny that. Me and the patterns are not friends. And she's in the musty horizontal stream. You guys are so mean. To be fair, I got banned by David. I was like being banned by Raccoon. Getting banned by Raccoon was crazy. Everyone go over to horizontal and bully you, Ash. No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Be nice. She's sweet. Ash, if they bully you, tell me. I still have the power to put you guys on a timeout. Just saying. Bring it on. Yeah, bands on track to find the red line will be a target of your entry at 570. Okay. Guys, let's see what this does. Like I said, nothing so far has piqued my interest with regards to, yes, I want to take this trade. I hate these days so much. These sideways BS days are like the bane of my existence. You're the most unthreatening person ever. I'll get to come back and put you on a timeout. So there's a newbie in here. Show yourself, please, bro. Just if I can handle the bullies. It would be pure comedy to see you try to rob a bank or something. Wow! I can't do that. I'd feel too bad. I can't even yell at people. I think I've never... I don't even think I show my frustration to people. I'm too nice. That is literally my issue, is that I'm too nice. That sounds like a brag, but it's really not, guys. With you on that, yeah. Everyone says being nice is a good thing, but sure, there is a thing as being too nice and not being able to, I don't know, be mean. Like, I can be mean to my friends as a joke, but then it's a joke. I would never genuinely be mean to someone. Bullying and autism, does that work? I'm a recovered people pleaser. Oh, I'm jelly. I am not. You see how much you're stuttering when you think about trying to be mean? Okay. There's a Nasdaq break up if you have already something right now. I don't know. You must have autism clashes. You're actually quite a horrible person. Winning. We both know you're lying to me right now, but I appreciate it. Thank you. Can't believe for me right now a compliment is being told I'm actually a horrible person. It's the little things in life, guys. It's the little things in life. Not gonna lie, horizontal kind of chill. Yeah, OTT. It's peaceful in here. Are you guys happy or sad about that? I don't know. S&P slammed down. I mean, S&P just tagged into VWAP, so let's see. It left a lot of volume imbalances as well along the way. I don't know, ES dropped down so nicely today. NQ has just been going sideways, like I said. Like 60 points worth of range, which is not a lot. What's up, Ichi? How you doing? Where's this Ash person? So Ash is afflict. Before I get some food, I'm gonna send you a screenshot of a trade I made yesterday, okay? I can't hear view up without thinking of that. No, 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 no. No. See now, what have you done? What have you done? What have you done? That's all I'm gonna think. To be fair, when I first started trading, when I said it, that's what I used to think, and then I just associated VWAP with the VWAP line, and now you've put that back into my head, so I appreciate that. No bullies and came here to keep Ollie and Jordy in check. Or hear me out, a potential. 3 hours, we hit 309. Something felt like it just stung my knee. Just kidding, it's the old age. Down SME now, yes. Fortunately, I saved you from using it. I'm just biased. I use DMAs. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay. That does make sense. I know a few people use EMAs, and they seem to be quite successful using them. Sorry, Ash, you're not gonna get questioned by the group. No pressure. Okay. It's now 10:30. It has moved a grand total of 70 points in an hour and a half. That is agonizingly slow. Cool. Let's do this. Nice to meet you. I'm Geordie. Welcome to the Sugar Honey Iced Tea Show. Look now at your chat. Do you see the M? Like I said, I see it, but I only see the patterns after they happen. Like I said, if I was looking at the M, I may have even been like, oh look, 1, 2, 3, it might be going down here, and then it went back up. That's the thing. Yeah, I'm not good with these patterns. I never have been good with these patterns. Okay, here comes some movement. Happy to answer any questions. Yes, I trade. I'm trading. No, look at you. Up to the horizontal. I know, Debbie. You just had to say that there's a new girl that's arrived, and they're just like, where? Let me out. Ash, no, we ain't me and Shorty. The gaming as far as yeah, the fellas are really gonna have fun with you. CFDs alone, CFDs are the best. Good grief. Oh wow, OTT, I can't believe you just said that. I feel like OTT needs to go on a timeout now. You can trash talk Forex, not CFDs. Okay, anyways, VWAP is down below, as well as this liquidity level. Let's see if it's gonna go for Midnight Magnet VWAP. Some sell side liquidity at 417 on the dot. Let's see what we get. Anytime if you look close enough, I'm sure you can count the number of stops that happen when the stock goes up and down and find some company. So give them ideas. I'm so sorry. Actually, just gotta be colorblind and you're sorted. This should be great about. Oh gosh. I do apologize, Ash. Wow. Is that the range? Wait, it kind of makes sense, I guess. So I was just looking at what Atlanta sent me. Yesterday morning, an NQ was so annoying, holding range before it dropped. Huge stock market probably show one huge full bolt. I want to hold to do. No two operators, Starcraft, like 15 more. Quiet and go. Operators now respect my take notes. Is that your top 3 games though? What? Why must I take notes? Good grief. I forgot I was still in cell before we continue as a candidate for the secret society. What country from and how do you feel about order flow? Oh no, she's South African as well, Geordie. She's South African. She's in Cape Town. Wow, it's better than a point of control. I'm at 1.2k. Oh my gosh. Okay. Boom. What's up, Make Money Online? How you doing? My picks, you guys are absolutely ridiculous. Nah, butterfly ain't my cup of tea. Guys, you can't force your trading preferences on other people. It is not how it works. Wait a damn hot minute. Okay, right, buy some liquidity. Not the 15 minutes sell side liquidity, but still some liquidity there to maybe get some movement going. Let's see if this works. If we get some confirmation, maybe it's then go time. Maybe we'll be able to get some quick little trades in. Ash also doesn't like I want to I double my vote. Shares on TQ the country of fucking Ash and however, I make $50 today. That's better than nothing. Make money online. There's so many of you. Other trading into a small group of would have throw you off a bit, probably send a few manipulation candle planet. Did we actually come to horizontal to interrogate someone? Yes, you guys did. You literally joined the horizontal stream to interrogate someone that is brand new. You guys are absolute bullies. Bully's the right word. Maybe bullies is the wrong word, but you guys are just strange. I guess that's why you're part of this community. We are a strange bunch. I was just trying to figure out if we can verify it. I don't know, this could be mud. Yeah. Ah, man. Nico, why are you funny? Let's see. Use care for the community to make sure the members are just as weird. That's valid. I don't mind that when searching for community. Then welcome. We don't discriminate, but we do make jokes, and by we, I mean my good friend Ollie. Yeah, it's very entertaining. Ollie is very fun. I'm just following this. So I mean, I'm not loving how this looks, but it's still on paper until I get confirmation. So meh, it is what it is. What's up, Boom? Charlie just doesn't have a filter. Give me a good movie to watch. Boom, what are you in the mood for? Comedy, thriller, adventure, animation, something cute, something serious. You're gonna have to help me out a little bit there, Boom. Yeah, good. This is a very convincing application indeed. Oh, you guys are too much. It doesn't hold and go along with what's your favorite. What would you recommend? I mean, as like a thriller, you could watch the new Apex movie with Charlize Theron and the guy from Kingsman. A cute little animation, you could watch Swapped. Very cute. It's not a musical either. I know some people don't like animations that are musicals. A good, funny, serious but old movie, you could watch Crazy Stupid Love. Trying to think what else. Okay, let's see how this reacts. I'm not gonna move anything to break even. This is a solid 1 to 2 hour trade. See if the buyers start to come to play here. And to be fair, this is a... I don't even know what to call this. This is not really a good setup at all. I'm just taking the range, but this is not an A, B, C, like maybe a D setup. I don't even know how I would rate this setup, so I don't have high hopes for this one at all. I mean, a decent little bit of a rejection over there, but apart from that, meh. Maybe want to see it break out of the bob level, but if it's gonna range inside of here, so that's fine. So you're naming movies I've seen already. Oh, okay. So I must think of one you haven't seen. 40-year-old virgin classic. I should actually. Okay, boom. So you've seen all of those already. Okay. Why don't you watch Secretariat? Have you seen that one? Please watch Deepwater. Okay. $4.44. Okay, let's see what this does. The business is ready for the 15-minute bounce and 30 trend shots. Okay, not moving this to break even, leaving it alone. Watch this thing now work. Like I said, the only thing that I've got for this one is that it's in a bob level. There was like nothing else. Like I said, maybe a D type of setup. whoever it is, and I hope no one reaches it. And now in my formal answers, believe that you're seeing what you actually see. Huge emphasis on transforming and continuing, etc. If this continues down, take out this low. And we've got ourselves an A+. Okay. Oh, no, let's maybe not do that. Let's... Okay. Let's see if this retraces back or not. Just tapped into Midnight Magnet. Make sure I haven't butchered the entry again like I did the other day. Okay, it's on... Mother bluffer. Really? Why are those the only two options for today? Okay. Let's see if we get this retracement or not. 8. Sorry, I've not been focusing on anything you guys have been saying. Hey, Silverwing. Yeah, I'm here every day. No, we'll go back up. It's easy to grab and not stop moving away from it. Two options only. I took 8 trades in 1 minute last 2 hours. Okay, moonshine. It really depends on everyone's different type of strategy. It's just been a while since I actually met someone who trades forex. You ever tried trading indices? Always stuck into currencies. Hey, boom! Awesome, well done. So it now went right to Midnight Magnet. Let's see what this does. I might want to retest further, but hands off for now. Actually have microwave? Really? It's open to exploring. Wow. Okay. See, we struggle busing over here. Okay. Restaurant and emotional, the bar works too. Oh, well. I'm up now. Guess I need to stay up for New York. See what her inclusive phone. Choosing I should have back just one of those using strength. See what it does. Okay. Looks like we are potentially just running away now. Doji still rejecting off of this midnight magnet. Midnight magnet into that shelf. Do I get a whoop whoop? Oh, you do get a whoop whoop. I'm so sorry. Sorry. Awesome. OTT. Not OTT. Boom. Whoop whoop. Sorry. My brain's low-key overthinking now. But there's a whoop whoop a boom for TP being hit. Well, we're in. Let's see if this goes instantly to stop loss now or not. Potential instant to stop loss. Now that's completely rejected off of Midnight Magnet. Oof. Wow. Into that order block. Let's see here. Yep. Back into Bob level, but now we got the fair value gaps going. What time is it? 4:52. Okay. Not a significant time. Just a bit of rejection, but it's hands off regardless. Six minutes to go for mountain time. Mountain time. What? If on probability of values would be a massive win for your decision process. Probably, yeah. I'm gonna quickly see this. It moves down and touches into there. See how this now looks. I gotta pee. Damn. Ash and Ollie gonna be besties. I just trade into season swing crypto. Yeah. Okay. Why'd you make two noises? Why did it make two noises? Please, why did it make... Go away. I clicked the wrong thing. My bad. Okay. So it did reject off of there, but it was still an A+ setup, so it is what it is. Plop this back on there to show my snail. Tag me in and dab me out. On to the next. Let's see if this was a kiss of death situation. That would be very irritating. No, 5-7. I don't think I could take a consistent range bound market. I can trade range, but it's not a preference. Now, range is not that nice to trade, hey? Let's see. Good grief. Okay. Done, done. Down 765.6. Hey Rama, what's up? They literally just hopped on and asked if I could see your comments. Anyways, List of Champions. Last night's pizza. Food. I'm gonna be training for a while. Trying to last first time for anything higher than 3 of my phone trees is too long. Oh, I'm glad I didn't take that. I would have got stopped out too, but I can see what you were thinking. Thank you, Itchy. Ah, it's fine. It happens, right? Yeah, just rejected solidly off of this Midnight Magnet. I really thought I would want to reject back down, at least tap into VWAP, but didn't work like that. It's fine. On to the next, right? Sorry, that's big boy barking. That normally means something. Sorry, the pool guys are here very early. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Why are they here today? Big ass hands. Okay, I'm so sorry. Perry's making so much noise. Sorry guys, he's going crazy as you can hear, so I don't want to annoy you with barking. Debbie, I did. I forgot to play the stop loss noise. Let me do it now. Did you get them? You're a good boy. Yeah. Everything got them. Yeah. Nope, it's okay. It's okay. They're leaving. It's okay. You did such a good job. Okay, bye. Anyways. He's doing his best job and being very protective. Piash, am I from the US? No. I'm from South Africa. Skeletor, that was brilliant, by the way. So, Skeletor's joke. A frog in America traced its DNA and found out it was a tadpole. Tadpolish. Oh, it was really good. Was someone at the door? It was the pool guys. I don't know why they're here on a Wednesday. They were here Thursday last week. They're a little bit all over the place. Like, normally they only used to come on Friday, but apparently... Okay, are they gone? Did you scare them off? I'm so proud of you. Good boy. He's come here to tell me how clever he is. Oh, you're so smart. Yes, you are. You're so smart. Okay, anyways. Boom, am I moving into a mansion? No. My Lucid account says Trump is speaking at 9:30 this morning. Thanks. Thanks, Jackie. It's a smart tanking off. I never thought of that. I would like Cape Town, a great place to visit, but to stay, scary. I've heard because the World Cup, my other one. Just the games because they're saying World Cup. He's a wonderful bull mastiff. He's not a bull mastiff. He's my big boy. Bring him on camera. Hello, say hi. Hello. I know, I look like I'm talking to myself, don't I? I know. He thinks I'm crazy. Anyways. 5, 2, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6 are now my next short entries. I'm lucky to begin a safer area. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens here. The pity about that. But it is what it is. We move on to the next. Boom, do you want to pick another butterfly of the day? Trade down. Thank you, Ash. He is the best. It's the dog because of price I make a decent amount for trading with Jews Cape Town. I'm piling on. He came. Saw him. Look, he's right here. Hey, Bean. He's such a good boy. And he's judging me like he always does. I can't pick him up. If you wanted me to like pick him up and show him to you, I can't do that. He's too heavy. You need generational wealth to live here. That's facts. Unfortunately, my parents left me with a good work ethic and not a, not a trust fund, which is rude. If they lost to my team, makes me move. Yeah, which is football and in particular the World Cup. Yeah, I don't. There you go. Break down. Shoosh! They're gone. You're such a good boy. Very good protector. Proud of you. I know you guys probably think like, how dare I not watch football, but it just doesn't interest me. Sorry. So, boom, butterfly, I'll wait on you. Do you want to wear the glasses? There we go. Oh. No World Cup talk, please. I'm still mourning that first game loss. Nox, what's up? Where have been, bud? Long time no see. I just have a small business that keeps us afloat. That's rolling, stop loss and profit. Nice, moonshine. Do I do Jim? Who is Jim? No, I'm kidding. Yes and no. Not here, but hopefully when I get back to Joburg, I can join up with the gym again. I do miss going to the gym. I go for walks on the beach if that counts. Nah, we don't have a WhatsApp group chat. What? Well, what's up, Jason? How are we doing? Why can't Maya tell me that? Tell you what? I finally got an hour to myself. That's good though. I think it sounds like you're busy, which is good. Right? Tell me a broker with 0 fees and low spreads. I mean, I know like decent spreads, but 0 fees, I don't think that's real. Would be sick to chat about trading and random stuff. You guys are awesome. Well, there we go. All on my side. I'm good, Jason. I can't complain. Wasn't easy consent. Discord. Boom. No. What do we know? $32 tick profit. Now me. 32 tick profit. What did I do? I keep pressing caps lock like an absolute chop. Can we please focus? Focus. Focus. Thank you. Where did you join? I thought you entered into a short, Moonshine. I'm confused now. Made the mistake of asking him to help me get some 50k challenges and then risking too long to pass. People actually use WhatsApp groups for trading. Curious. Maya just be trolling us. How? What did I do? Now going for smaller ones and bumping up risk to pass. What the hey diddly do? Hey diddly do? What the hey diddly day did I do? Boom. I don't understand. Let's see what we get. Like I said, I haven't gotten much. There was one trade here that wasn't even an A+. This one was a good one, just didn't reject. Bro, what is wrong? Okay. Sorry, Perry's literally on his own mission today. What's up, some guy? Welcome back. I don't know. I just think they're super convenient. Valid. Well, Ash, I did pop you a message on Discord. So you can go have a look-see. Okay. Still nothing here for me. I tried London. Are you wearing cow print? It's not cow print. It's just leggings. Why do you guys think it looks like cow print? Oh, cheers, Moonshine. 11. Why is my time off? She told me to my wearing cow leggings again. Yeah, it's to represent my inner being. I'm just a cow. Anyways. Anywho, it doesn't matter. Moving on. Just stop the 18k subs got cracked today. It did, some guy. Took a hot minute, but it did. Spotted. Why not wear just black? I mean, I have my just black leggings. I'll probably wear those tomorrow. You see you're doing it. Nope. Still got pan. What do you see? It's probably cushy about the market. Jason.
Nice.
That was good. I haven't passed yet. I streaked by could have passed me Chris with this P. But I was too scared to blow the 50Ks. I still have them, actively trading them. Samesies. I'm just wanting to punch these in the face a little bit. Why goodbye? What happened? Boom, you haven't picked a butterfly, by the way. Disgusting. Why? Why are you guys being so extra judgy today? Damn. Y'all woke up and chose violence. That's what you did. Woke up and chose violence. 9 days to go before I drive back to Joburg. Ashman is just like up the account. Is that an asset top? Yes. I thought yesterday's conversation was not enough. Clearly, I didn't even clock what I had done. But yes. Not her cow leggings. Wow, thanks. And she's gonna pass it to something else. Be a gentleman. Actually faking that she'd been. My cat picked the spot, okay. The moon landing, isn't it? Okay. Leaf wing butterfly. Okay, for anyone that's new, we do something very random here. Yes. Random. We do butterfly of the day. And today, Boom picked the leaf wing butterfly. Boom, I feel like you have to be a little bit more specific. Just because there do be a lot of them. So you're gonna have to be a little bit more specific. I'm just gonna be picking the butterflies. Yeah, it's your job now. To stay under breaching terms and maximum level of bound for challenge phase, not risking high small challenge landing. Who's to try that funded trading worth it? My gain is not so good. So I don't know, I mean profit gain can be good as long as you're not greedy. It's good to play the bigger challenges, but that was a psych error that I fixed now. The American one during Cold War was remember the blue and red one. Okay, so this one. Okay, so apparently this is the leaf wing butterfly. Cool. So it's the butterfly of the day that Boom picked. Oh, okay. Okay, I can't find the information on it because there's too many leaf wing butterflies, but well, I guess we'll just look at the pretty picture. There it is. Look at it, pretty picture, cool. Apparently that's our butterfly of the day. Can't tell you anything else about it. This image was obtained by the Smithsonian Institution. Oh, okay. There we go. To be fair, this one's pretty cool as well. The noble leaf wing. How regal of you. And this is the Florida leaf wing butterfly. Okay. Click on the site. Okay. I am a human. Natural History Museum. Okay, description. The object is part of the Educational Outreach Collection. Record last modified 2022. Yeah, there's not much information on it, just... Yeah, whoa! It's cool as heck. Okay. How did you pass the age verification? You guys are so full of rubbish. Have you ever been to a butterfly house? A butterfly house? No, I've been to like a butterfly breeding center. Is that what you would call it? Where they kind of, or rescue center? I don't quite know what to call it. But I've been to one of those before. I know you always have to verify. You're not a robot like AI. Maybe I am AI, guys. Maybe that's my secret. I am actually AI. This is all just an illusion. No. Anyways, like I said, if I was AI, I would be a whole lot smarter. It's fun when last year Ash kind of decent. A couple of months to keep going, you know. Several. Atlanta, no one cares about that. Somebody in greenhouse have thing and they land all over you. I'm blue butterfly. Okay. Ash, did you get my message? Hopefully you got the real Maya and you didn't get the scammers. I did send you a message though. What if I have team room, voice chat, New York sessions, see you there, fades away in the background. Dude, what do you... I know you can resist. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. If I keep saying that, it's bound to come true eventually, right? It's fine. Let's see, 5:20. Let's give this a little bit more time. Well, maybe this is the move. See you guys next week. Next week? What do you mean next week, Boom? It's only Wednesday. Where are you going? Hello? Are you taking a break? What's happening? Some guy, how's work, by the way? I'm assuming it's break time. If not like your skill. Thank you, Debbie. Me and you were both like, wait a second. What did we just read? Yeah. I need a break from staring at Maya. I scared him away with how ugly I am. That's so mean, Boom. Why would you say that? Why would you say that? That is the meanest thing someone has ever said to me. Boom just said that I'm so ugly that he can't stand looking at me. Yeah, we're still, I think. Get back to it now. Aw, okay, enjoy some guy. We're just sitting here, staring at the candles, be stuck in this bob level. Fun times. Let's see on that part. Good day everyone, not sure whether we have New York or not. Trade, well, tucked grass, some guy, enjoy. Females just love to twist words. The one that's not being super formal is me, if that helps. Yeah, the one you're messaging now, that's me. What's up, Ninja? You hugs you, then pop back to work. Busy day. Okay, have fun. Bruh. Give us something else. Now you're doing this during the daytime. This is it. Is it very hard to keep up ocean outside of the world with a boat? With a boat? Why with a boat? Why do you want a boat? What's that about? Okay. I'm sorry, that was such a lame joke. But anyways. I thought I was funny. Okay, this looks like it's dying out. Yeah, let's give this a few more minutes. Wait at least until past before maybe calling this today. Had one A+ setup, didn't work. It is what it is. We move on. We move on to the next. Ah! I'm falling apart. And everyone, love you all. Catch fun, New York. Promise. Oh, thanks, Ninja. Yeah, just yeah. See, this looks like it might be breaking up now. This might be a buy that's coming our way. Debbie, have you gotten anything good? This price action today is not my friend. The dad jokes are coming out when she's about done with the market. And you can't deny they're pretty good dad jokes. Come on, that was funny. I thought that was funny. You're not wrong though. When my brain's now like shut off to the market, it's like, how can we make you disappointed in me in a different way? And the answer to that is terrible, terrible dad jokes. Tell me I'm wrong. Terrible, terrible dad jokes are just the way to go. If I can't make you disappointed in my trading, I'm gonna make you disappointed in my humor. I feel like Dem's the rules. And I don't make the rules. I don't know who does make the rules, but I don't make the rules. Like I said, I might just give this until past. I know it's a little bit earlier than usual, but clearly this price action is just not doing well. It's just not price actioning. Pulling that out, all jokes aside, this looks like a breakout. Get ready. We're doing 15-minute time frame says not much. Wicked into there. Kind of tapped into this bearish fair value gap, barely. See if it continues to break above. Previous 15-minute closed bearish, a bit of a bearish doji. The 5-minute look like. Meow. Looks like a bit of a retest and potential continuation back up. Is this a live value? Yes, Dan. Well, on my funded, not my evil. Yeah, I feel kind of lucky because I've been doing this for a while. Went through a lot. 15 times. And I've started learning trading from today. What will be your advice? Oh my gosh, just take it one day at a time. Try to distance yourself emotionally and don't expect to get it instantly. It's gonna take time. That's about it, buddy. There we go. Do we think this is just gonna continue going sideways? See, one more minute until the close of the 15-minute and 5-minute candles, and obviously 30-minute candles. Let's see. What's up, Dylan? How are you doing? I'm just watching this, and we're gonna sit and watch and wait and see if this is gonna break above. If not, I might be calling it early today, guys. This is very fun. We could call it fun. Yeah. Let's see if it breaks above here. You always say I'm calling it as soon as I join. I'm sorry, Dylan, I don't do it on purpose. My mentor says it feels like luck because the hardest work was done when you were learning how to train. Taking this on paper for funsies. Yes, I just said for funsies. Because I can. Yeah, let's see if this works or not. I mean, it's about to solidly tap into that bearish pay value gap on ES. So let's see. I'm having a slow year this year, but it's normal. It can happen every other year or so. Time for an apple for New York. I'll catch you later. Cheers, Dan. Bad timing, I reckon. Yeah, I made another $500. Hey, that's awesome though, Dylan. $500 trade on Monday. That's really good, especially as Monday's price action was... It was okay. It was okay. There goes, I'm breaking. It's not 400 bit trading. It's breaking out now. Yeah, let's see. This is on the paper trade. I'm not 100% convinced that this is breaking out, but let's see. Took it for funsies on paper, because why not? Let's see what this does. Now hands off. No? Sorry, I thought I heard something, but I didn't. I've been doing this for like 3 to 4 years now, but locked in basically a year or two. Five should come in after 4:33 a.m. You mean 5:33, Arthur? Well, let's see. It's 5:33 now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, even if it's slow, as long as you're winning more than losing, the pace doesn't matter. Them's facts right there, OTT. Oh, so you're not on EST time then, Arthur. Wow, and straight down we go. Thanks, Dylan. Let's do this. Like I said, after this trade I'll call it, but let's see if anything even comes of this. I'm on the market's very cool, and yeah, you're so right. It feels so silly though, risking too low for passing my account. There goes my machine pen. Now let's buy the low. Times over past 10% profits target. There we go. The whole 6 months left, I make an average 1% per year on one account. That's not bad though. I really should reach funded by December. One step at a time though, Ash, right? That's all you can do. One step at a time. It's like that song. It's a song literally called One Step at a Time. Yeah, that is too. That song's now gonna be stuck in my head the rest of the day. That's irritating as heck, but oh well. Ain't nothing I can do about that. Okay. Let's see what happens. I have a tattoo on my arm that'll just says baby steps. That is so cool. Okay. Cool, at least you got tattoos. Sorry, I'm covered up today, but yo, I got a lot of tattoos. Time. And out. 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 There we go. Good grief. What's favorite one? Out of the gold mud kick yesterday at the home. Oh my goodness. Street mine was the world's third biggest mud. What? Oh, mine was in the world's third. Dylan, you're so full of rubbish. Oh, probably. Oh, I actually don't know what my favorite tattoo is. Probably my antisocial butterfly. Yeah, probably my antisocial butterfly. He's cool. Okay, well that was me going. Wait. No, don't diddle in this. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. I was gonna say, wait a second. Let's not do that. I love that. I'm a shy bean myself. Guys, because I'm not a social butterfly, so I got an antisocial butterfly. So it's a butterfly and there's a sword. Actually, can never pass it. Keep pushing with my multiple pounds. Correct. Don't wait this. Okie dokie. That's then me gonna call it for London today, guys. I'm outie. Let's do this. I vote antisocial butterfly. Does he have a name? He actually doesn't have a name. You know that my snail has a name. I call him Sunny. Sunny the snail, but I don't actually have a name for my antisocial butterfly. Should be Bob. No, can't name him Bob. Hit a backflip. Stop it. Sorry. So you got me talking about my snake is called Sunny. That's hilarious. Yeah, my snail on my shoulder is called Sunny. I don't know. What would the butterfly be? Bot. Bot the antisocial butterfly. Oh, okay. I love you guys madly. Yeah, I love you guys madly. Okay, let me then call it for today. I will see you all on the flippity flop New York Open. Let's do this thing. See you, New York. Let's see. Maybe we can. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what everything brings. Okay. Okay. Love you guys madly. Trade safe in this madness. See you guys for New York. Bye. Love you guys.